Today I'm about to show you the easiest way to make a cozy autumn pillow without touching a sewing machine. Nope, not even a needle. All you need: jute burlap for that rustic fall charm, eyelet yarn, and crochet hook. No crochet skills required, I promise. And some scissors. Oops, almost forgot about the pillow. You will need it too. Step 1. Grab the jute sack and give it a little trim. Cut off all the edges so you've got 2 flat pieces. These will be the front and back of your pillow. Next, measure it and make sure you leave at least 5 centimeters of extra fabric on each side. Now grab one of the pieces and sketch out the pumpkin shape. I tried using a pencil and white marker. Didn't work out, so I took black marker. Step 2. Grab your eyelet yarn and crochet hook. Time to start shaping our pumpkin. Pull the yarn loops through along your drawn line, one after another, but don't use every single hole in a fabric. Skip 3 to 4 in between and keep working your way around the pumpkin shape. Don't worry about making it perfect. Once we've gone all the way around our pumpkin, it's time to fill it in. So patience, my friend, and let's go. Fill it the whole pumpkin. Fill the whole thing with loops. This might take a little while, but the result will be totally worth it. And again, don't stress about perfection. The loops will cover everything. I think jute fabric is just perfect for autumn crafts, don't you? Tell me in the comments what you think. When everything is filled in, trim off the excess and pull through the last loops. You can secure everything with a hot glue gun. Once we're finally done, we'll need to make the stem. And we'll do that using the same yarn, just in green. This time we pull the loops through each other into our desired shape, because we don't want the stem to be fluffy. We want it nice and smooth. Once the shape is ready, we can secure it again with a hot glue gun from the back side. Step 3. Now it's time to make the actual pillowcase. We need to pull out some threads from the fabric. Those will be the extra 5 centimeters we left earlier. It should look something like this. And now let's put it all together. To join both sides, we don't need to sew. We'll just tie them together a little section at a time. And again, no need for perfection here. We want it to look like a real autumn harvest decoration. Tie together 3 sides, working your way step by step. Once that's done, pop your pillow insert inside and tie up the 4th side the same way with knots. You can make all kinds of designs like this. Ghosts, for example, or anything else to match any season. Well, that's it. Our decorative fall season pillow is ready. Alright, my friends, see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Bye bye!